Hi everyone, it's Mayura here. I'm glad my last tutorial on shoulder mobility helped a lot of you. And for those who haven't yet watched it, you can still go back and check it out. I have received a request to make a tutorial on yoga for the back. Back usually holds a lot of tension for a lot of people. So today we'll be learning 5 easy asanas which will help you release the back tension and strengthen the back muscles. One very important note, for those who have undergone any surgery or have any injury in the back, please consult your doctor before trying this. So let's get started.
First asana. Sit in Vajrasana. Take your elbow on the floor, touching your knee, and where the fingers are ending, press your hands there. Open your legs waist apart. Press your ankles on the floor. We'll be doing cat and cow. As you inhale, you're going to lift your chest up, arch your spine, look forward. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed. And as you exhale, you're going to completely round your spine and look inside. Second asana, you're going to lie on your stomach. We're going to do first variation of Bhujangasana. Come up on your elbows, hold your opposite elbows and stay. From there, opening your hands forward. As you inhale, press your hands and lift up. Keep lifting the chest up and breathe. If you're not very comfortable, you can take your hands slightly more forward and stay. If you're more comfortable, you can take your hands slightly more behind and push your chest even more higher. Slowly come back down and relax. If you're very much comfortable, keep your hands next to your chest, and as you inhale, lift your chest up, keeping your elbows bent, rolling your shoulders back. And as you exhale, slowly come back, relax. Third asana, you're going to keep your head on the floor, and as you inhale, you're just going to lift your legs up towards the ceiling. Try to hold there for some time and slowly come back. Next, we're just going to lift our chest up, keeping our hands off the floor. Exhaling, slowly come back. If you're very much comfortable, inhaling, lift your chest and your legs both up together and slowly come back, relax. Fourth asana, you're going to bend both your legs, holding your ankles. As you inhale, you're going to lift your pelvis up towards the ceiling. Try to touch your chest towards your chin. Exhaling, slowly come back, opening your legs forward and stay. Fifth asana, bend both your legs, keeping them together, opening your hands in W, dropping both the legs on the right, and you look on the left. Slowly come back, drop your legs on the left, and you look on the right. Slowly come back and relax in Shavasana.
So these were some really simple asanas for the back. You can practice them daily and strengthen those back muscles. You can also post your practice videos on Instagram and Facebook, and do not forget to tag me. I would love to watch them. If you have any particular request of tutorial you want me to make, do comment below and I'll definitely make them. And if you like this video and you want me to make more such tutorials, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.